Welcome back. Today we're diving into a world of efficiency with 5 Excel shortcuts that will transform your spreadsheet game. First up, Ctrl+N. This nifty shortcut whisks you into a new Excel workbook, skipping the menus and getting straight to the fun. Next, Ctrl+S. This lifesaver is your fast track to saving your work, ensuring your precious data never gets lost. Third, Ctrl+Z and Ctrl+Y. Messed up? Ctrl+Z undoes your last action. To redo, simply press Ctrl+Y. It doesn't get simpler than that, moving on to Ctrl+arrow keys. This is your ticket to effortless navigation, taking you to the edge of your data region in a heartbeat. Finally, Ctrl+Shift+L. Excel table lovers, this one's for you. Instantly add a filter to your data, making sorting and analyzing a breeze. So there you have it. 5 Excel shortcuts to streamline your work. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share the love, and subscribe for more Excel wizardry. Until next time.